What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Montreal, Canada. It's been absolutely crazy, hectic journey to get here. I had multiple flights that had to be rebooked. My flight from Montreal back home, which is only a 1 hour flight, was canceled. They wanted me to pay $500 to rebook a 1 hour flight. And I was like, hell no. I booked a flight to Jamaica, and then I got on the plane today and it was leaking fluid. So that flight has been rebooked to tomorrow, but they gave me a nice little hotel here. So it's been crazy. I'm so tired, but we're going to go over Polygon, guys. Hope you're well. I've missed you. I know I've been away for a couple days. Currently, we're sitting at $1.31. We're down about 0.38% on the day. We're sitting on market cap 8.61 billion. 24-hour volume is 870 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You see $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So here's Matic, guys. We broke out. Our target was met from our symmetrical triangle. So that was a nice little trade opportunity. TradingView is giving me some serious lag today, guys, so bear with me. 16% trade opportunity there. And then we had this bull pennant, and it almost met its target as well. And then we saw some rollover and a little bit of consolidation. So we are seeing a nice little W bottom here for Matic, as you can see here, double bottom. So if this neckline is broken, apologies for the lag, guys. If you do see this neckline broken, I'll give you a little target. You can see here we came back and retested that strong level of support here at $1.21. So if that neckline is broken, your target for Matic is up at $1.40. If we jump over to the daily time frame, just going to open this up. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. So you can see here on the daily, we've clearly broken out of our falling wedge, and your target's up at 181. We're back above the EMAs. We're currently holding them as support, which is bullish for Matic here, guys. We also kind of have this larger bull flag pattern here on the daily. So if you do see us break out here to the upside, it's a pretty juicy target here on the daily time frame. Let me just grab it here. And it's giving me a lot of lag today. My apologies, guys. Would bring Matic up to about $1.63. So if you do see that breakout, that's a juicy little trade opportunity of 22%, 23%. And if you'd like to trade Matic with me, sign up to Bybit for up to $600 in bonuses. You get $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours. I've been absolutely crushing it trading Matic, trading Phantom, trading ADA over on Bybit. I highly recommend it, guys, for leverage and spot trading. So keep an eye on that pattern here. If we quickly look at Ethereum, here's Ethereum on the 4-hour chart. You can see our symmetrical triangle target was met. That was a nice little trade opportunity if you traded that breakout. Wow, this leg is really rough here. My apologies, guys. Of about 12%. You can see here we've come up and we're testing the 0.786 at 3589. So if we can get back above that and we do hold it as support, your target's 3992. Now there is a bearish divergence here on the 4-hour chart, which can signify to us that the bulls are losing strength here. If we come over here, you can come to bybt.com and it will show you the long versus short ratio. So you can see this is the 4-hour chart. We have had an increase in short positions on the 4-hour as well as on the 12-hour chart for Ethereum. We're currently 51% short and 49% long. So if we were to see some sell-off here, I would target this level of support. See where all this resistance was? This was a major level of resistance. So if we were to see some sell-off here, we could use that 3321 as support. And then if you're trading this breakout from our descending channel here, you're already up basically 14%. And when it reaches its technical target here, that's a 26% gain for Ethereum. So beautiful little breakout here. Let's go to Ethereum on the daily. So here we are on the daily, guys. We've had the bullish cross of the EMAs, which is an extremely good sign of continuation here. We're back above the golden ratio. We're just starting to get back above the 0.786. So of course, next you have your all-time high and you have the 1.272 extension, which is up at 5687. But do keep an eye on that bearish divergence on the 4-hour chart. We may see a backtest of support at 3321 for ETH. So let's finish off the video with Matic here. So if Ethereum does see that backtest of support, I would expect Matic to come back down to $1.21. If that does happen here, we may create a little bit of a falling wedge pattern for Matic. Currently we're in one right now. So if we were to come back down to $1.21, we bounce. We see that breakout here. If we hit some resistance, we come down and we bounce and we break out, your target is the top of the wedge, which is up at about $1.35 for Matic. So do keep an eye on that if we do roll over, and look for us to bounce from $1.21. If we were to lose that level of support here for Matic, let me just open this up onto the 4 hour, see where we may find some support here. We could definitely find some support in this area, down at about $1.17 for Matic, but we do also have that double bottom pattern here. So if this neckline is broken, do target $1.40. And then you have the golden ratio up at $1.54 for Matic. So things are looking really bullish in my opinion. We've broken out of our falling wedge pattern. We're back above the EMAs. We're holding them as support. Even if we come back down to $1.21, we break out of this falling wedge pattern. Also is a larger bull flag pattern as well, as I had shown you here on the daily. Then your target's all the way up at $1.61. You have the golden ratio at $1.54. Then you have the technical target from this falling wedge at 181 for Matic. All right, guys, make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Do check out my full link tutorial if you're new to Bybit. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.